Now we move to time scales. Since seconds, minutes, and hours are not multiples of 10 of each other, it's convenient for us to include specific time scales on the slide rule. The new scale that we have is the C scale. The C scale is attached to the B scale. So if the B scale moves, the C scale moves along with it. The markings on the C scale are based on the B scale. For example, if I have 80 minutes, I know that 80 minutes is 1 hour and 20 minutes. 70 minutes is 1 hour and 10 minutes. These markings here are in increments of 5 minutes. And 60 minutes is 1 hour. And we mark this with a triangle because this is going to be a main reference point. If we were talking about seconds, let's say 80 seconds, this would now read in minutes. So 80 seconds is 1 minute and 20 seconds. 70 seconds is 1 minute and 10 seconds. And 60 seconds is 1 minute, which is our main reference marking right here. Now let's look at ways of using this. There are several different ways that you can use this scale right here. I can use minutes here on the B scale, for example, instead of using minutes here. And the way that we would do that is we would start 1 minute would be here where the 1 0 is. We would just ignore the 0. 2 minutes would be here, and the 20. 3 minutes would be here. 4 minutes. And 10 minutes. Again here on the 10 that we used before. Now this one, we don't cut the 0 anymore. This one's 10 minutes. So we're going through the scale now one more time over. Here on the 11, we'll have 11 minutes. Because we're not cutting the 0 anymore. Here we have 12 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 60 minutes. Now we can start using the scale here on the C scale because 60 minutes coincides with the 60 here. And we can work in hours now because we're going to work with numbers greater than 60 minutes. So we have 1 hour, it's the same thing as 60 minutes. If we have an hour and 5 minutes, we work with this marking here on the C scale. And we know here from reading the B scale that 1 hour and 5 minutes is equal to 65 minutes. 1 hour and 10 minutes, 1 hour and 15, 1 hour and 20, 1 hour and 30 minutes would be here, 1 hour and 40 minutes, and we just keep going. 2 hours, 2 hours and 30 minutes, 3 hours, all the way here to 10 hours. If I wanted to know how much is 10 hours in minutes, the reading here wouldn't be 60 anymore. It would be 600. 10 hours is 600 minutes. If you're asking yourself, where is the 10 for 10 hours? Well, look here, we have the 8 hours marking. These are increments of 20 minutes. So we have 8 hours and 20 minutes, 8 hours and 40 minutes, 9 hours, 9 hours and 20 minutes, 9 hours and 40 minutes, 10 hours. So that's why the 10 hours is here, and that's equal to not 60, but 600 minutes. Now let's take a look how we can work with seconds. If you use the B scale for seconds, where the 1 0 is, you can have 1 second, then 2 seconds here, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 10 seconds, then 11 seconds, and we'll just keep going, 20 seconds, 30 seconds. This time around I'm not cutting the 0 part. 40 seconds, and 60 seconds. From now on, we're going to work with numbers greater than 60 seconds, so we're going to start working with minutes. 60 seconds is 1 minute, which is the scale here below where the triangle is. So in minutes, 1 minute is here. 1 minute and 5 seconds is here. 1 minute and 10 seconds is here. If you want to know the number of seconds, 1 minute and 10 seconds is 70 seconds. 1 minute, 15 seconds. And we just keep going around using this scale here on the C scale for minutes. 3 minutes, all the way to 10 minutes. And again, it's 10 because you go here, 8, 9, 10. 10 minutes. So basically, if you're using minutes in the B scale, the C scale is in hours. So if minutes here, hours here. If you're using the B scale in seconds, the C scale will be in minutes. So seconds here and minutes here, just as we saw.